Ekelingwang biade. Ma vo.
We are diving the river today. You see my positioning to make these videos, it will trip you. I'm swimming on top of the water to make these videos. We came to dive lobsters today. That's our bucket. Look at my hand. You can see me. See that? You see where I am? Can you see me? This is me. If you can see me, look at me. This is clear. How are you? Adi mami tansen za wanzeleku. Ma papilo edi mami tansen za wanzeleku. Fuma be pe zuma de o. Abeg. Lele zuma de ni jo. Fun pe nka ipa 170 o. All right. Swimming. Okay.
You don't want me to say they fear water.
It fear water. I no go fear water.
That one you catch at one time.
At one time now.
That one you don't get 200 too.
Walking through so many stones by the bank of the river. This place is called Emagba. Or no be only Agba people own them. Take note. All the utility people now don't get this place. But it's called Emagba. That's where I am now. You want to view the river? That's the Diba. This is Emma. Those of my people, few of my people, we don't they we know this place. We gonna follow Siam today here. I'm Agba be this so. That Emma where you be the jump those stones. Now then they still they very fresh. They wait for you. Anytime you come around, they still they here. They wait.